Hello, I'm Mike. This is Simple Guitar for Beginners and you're watching UC TV. Lesson number 1, one finger guitar. What we first need is a guitar. This is very similar to the guitar I first started out with. It's a nylon string guitar. It's got quite a wide neck, but the strings being nylon makes it easier to press down, and that is quite an advantage on your fingers once you get started. So there's several little bits of things we need to know first. First of all, your left hand. How are we going to describe that? We're going to call it thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the strings on the guitar, the thinnest string, farthest away from you, that's the first string. And the next one is the second string, third, fourth, fifth, and the thickest one is the sixth. Now, this guitar is in tune. It's easy to find a guitar tuning app on your mobile phones, or to get a little clip-on tuner like this one, or even tune it with a tuning fork or whichever, but you can probably find something online to help you tune up the guitar so it sounds a bit like that. Now that is using chords, but what we're going to do today, and I'm going to use my steel string guitar, which is a bit trickier to press the fingers down. What we're going to do today is a very simple exercise, just using one finger, and that will be your first finger, and we're then going to go on the frets. Now if we look at the fretboard, I'll move a bit closer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we go up, we're going to find all the different frets as we go up. Now on the 5th fret, we've got a little marker, and that will help you know where you're going. So this is the 1st fret, so we want to start on the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and we're going to press down. Now if we press right onto the fret, we get a dull thud of a sound, so we need to be just slightly behind, close to the 1st fret, but just nearer to the 2nd fret. So it's, and you press hard down. Hard down to get that sound. Now if you take it off and play the same string, now that is basically all you need to do for the beginning. One finger, 2nd fret, just press that down to get a nice clean sound. Once you've got a nice clean sound, what we're going to then do, instead of the 2nd fret, we're going to go to the 4th fret. So that is 2, 3, 4. And then 5th fret, 4th fret, and then back to the 2nd fret. So we're just going to repeat that so it goes. You'll probably find that your fingers begin to get a bit sore now, but we'll keep on with the same one first finger, that finger. Keep that one first finger, and we'll do it again, but we'll do it this time on the 4th string, which is one thinner from the 2nd fret. Then back to the 5th string. Now we're going to put that together, and we're going to, looking at the other side, we're going to play 2 strings at the same time. So away you go. probably notice your finger will now have a bit of a dent in it. So you realise we've got several other fingers, so we'll pry it and we'll use 2 fingers. So we'll go first finger, then we'll use our 3rd finger. I've jumped ahead a bit there because instead of just using my thumb on the picking like that, I'm using my thumb and my first finger on the right hand, sorry, to go. That's getting a bit more advanced, but if you can do it, that will be a thing. Otherwise, keep just using your thumb. And up. Now, you can get a lot more advanced using the same notes. And if you want, you can use a plectrum, or you can just use your nail on that finger and just try and make more of a rhythmic tone by going. And there's lots of little ways you can do that. Now that's part of a 12-bar blues, but that's all we need to know for now. We've just got that first bit, so you've got something you can play. As you say, when you go along you can make several variations, which could be